Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where today I want to explain you about what I say. Don't believe in anything that you hear and don't believe in anything that you see. Instead of that, develop your faith, activate your faith that is connected with your soul. Is the way that we can trust the process. And well, what I say that because I don't want for you even to believe me. What I want for you is to question everything that I say. As I always say, question everything that I say and check it with your soul. Check it with your inner guide. So you can take whatever it resonates with you so you can apply to your life so you can evolve in the process of your soul. As I always say, I believe is to think that something is true even if it's not. And I know it sounds sad because, well, we believe many things that later are only a play in our minds. As we know, everybody comes with belief systems created by the environment where they had been raised, created by the tendencies of the personality, and also inherited from our ancestors. And well, I believe is necessary to manifest in this earth, but at the same time, our mastering here is to go over the belief, is to go beyond the belief, trusting in the process, having faith in the process. Because, well, I believe is to think that something is true, even if it's not. But faith is completely different. Faith is to trust completely, blindly into something. The way that we understand faith these days is through the belief systems that we have regularly for our religions. But, well, I don't know if you know that, but I'm not religious. I'm a spiritual person like you and like everybody on earth because we all are parts of the spirit. When I was 16 years old, I let clear to my parents that I didn't want to continue being a Christian. And not because I have anything against Christians, not at all. But, well, I in that moment, I read a lot about dialectics and philosophy. And, well, those beliefs weren't part of me. Somehow, my faith into something different, into something bigger, into feel that God, the source, or however we wanted to call it, was within me and everybody and in everything, in nature, in storms, in things, because everything is part of the consciousness. So somehow those beliefs of the Catholic Church didn't serve me to my evolution. So I left them behind. And at the moment I left them behind, I started to open more my mind. I'm not saying that you should do that because, well, this video is all about don't believe whatever I say, whatever others say. I just want to give you this information so you choose, so you decide, so you check with your soul because, well, if you are here, it's because this information resonate with you. We can here to be masters of duality and to be a master of duality, a master of manifestation, and a master in alchemy that is manifests the purpose of my soul in this earth, to embody my soul in this earth, to bring the heaven to the earth. I let you hear the video where I explain all about the difference between reprogram, transcends, and transmute a belief. As I say before, a belief is to think that something is true even if it's not. When we reprogram our brain, we are reprogramming all those unfunctional beliefs that we want to convert into a functional belief. So, for example, if we have a belief of I am valuable and another one that is I'm not valuable, what we're going to do with reprogram is to go from I'm not valuable to I am valuable. How? With affirmations. We're going to generate affirmations that are going to help us to reprogram the subconscious mind through that positive belief. But positivism is not enough. That is only rewire your brain. But that doesn't mean that you are connected with faith. To connect with faith, first you need to reprogram for I'm not valuable to I am valuable. But later, even if you go to the affirmation in the subconscious mind, could be an emotion, and that is the root of every belief that we need to change. That emotion is going to show you that you need to embrace something. And when we embrace that emotion, is when we understand that I am valuable and I am not valuable is only the two polarizations of the same belief, and that I need to be in the center to transcend that belief, because it's the same that the hermetic law of the rhythm. Everything has a rhythm. Everything is moving like a pendulum, going from the right to the left and from the left to the right. And what we need to do is to get positioned in the middle, because at the end of the day, I'm going to have days that I going to feel less valuable, and other days that I'm going to feel very valuable. But well, polarizations are always related with darkness and with the experimentation of the darkness created by the construct of the mind called ego. Or rather, I feel inferior, or rather, I feel superior. But the reality is that you are unique. You are not inferior or superior to anyone. So some days you can feel valuable, and some days you can feel that you're not enough to do something, or that you're not valuable. But when we stay in the middle, is when we transcend that belief. We deeply comprehend that I know one side and I know the other, and at the same time, I am both. And when I comprehend that, is when I transmute that belief and I start to living about that belief. But for that, our faith needs to be activated. Faith into the process, faith into my soul, faith on my inner guide, my soul to guide me through life. Faith is what I say, is trusting blindly in something or in someone. And in this case, is trusting blindly in your soul, the only one that knows the path, that knows your path, letting all the distractions of the mind behind. Because, well, I believe can manifest great things, but faith is connected with the biggest manifester in universe, the pure love of the source, connected through your inner guide, connected through your soul. That's why I always say, go beyond belief. Question everything that I say. Experience it by yourself. If it resonates with you, perfect. Go for it. If it doesn't resonate for you, well, it's okay. Because what I am doing here is setting the zone of my soul so others can find the zone or their own souls. But that's your job, no mine. Remember, I can work as a mirror, but I never can do that work for you. Well, I hope this information serves you well. Question everything. Check always with the one that has all the answers with them, your soul. Thank you for listening to me. I know it's not easy with my beautiful English, but well, I do my best every day to try to give you the message in a way that you guys can understand. I hope you had a great day, and well, ciao, see you soon.